Little Storyteller.
Once upon a time, in a cozy little house with a bright blue door, lived a kind boy named Leo. Leo had a very special job. He was the keeper of lost smells. In his room, on sunny yellow shelves, sat many, many glass jars. Each jar held a smell that had gone away from the world. One of his favorite jars held the warm, woody smell of his grandpa's workshop, with a tiny wooden toy boat inside. Another jar smelled sweet like the long-gone bakery, with a sprinkle of pretend sugar at the bottom. He even had a jar that smelled just like a special rainy afternoon, with a little paper raindrop inside. One sunny morning, a little fluffy bunny with long floppy ears hopped to Leo's window. The bunny's nose twitched and wiggled. Sniff, sniff, went the bunny. What are all those yummy smells? Leo giggled and carefully opened the window. These are lost smells, he explained. Smells that the world has forgotten. The bunny hopped inside and looked at all the jars with wide, sparkly eyes. Oh, squeaked the bunny, pointing to a jar with a drawing of colorful flowers on it. What's in this one? Leo carefully took down the jar. Inside, there was a picture of a field of bright red poppies and sunny yellow daisies. He gently opened the jar. A soft, sweet smell of wild flowers filled the room. The little bunny wiggled its nose happily. It smells like the meadow where I live, the bunny cried. But the flowers haven't bloomed yet this year. Leo had a wonderful idea. He carefully took the jar outside and opened it in the garden. The gentle breeze carried the flower smell all the way to the bunny's meadow. The next day, the bunny came back, its nose twitching with excitement. The flowers are blooming, it shouted. Your lost smell helped them remember to grow. Leo smiled. It made him happy to share the lost smells. He learned that even though some things go away, their memory can still bring joy. Sharing what you have can make wonderful things happen.
Please subscribe. Thank you.